Hi students, welcome to Narayana's live classes. Today we are going to discuss about revision assignment for class 4. Today's our topic is from plants or parts of leaf, process of making food and activity 1. You can find this in the textbook page number 9. So our task today is to choose the correct answers. We'll start with our first question. The flat surface of leaf is called. The flat surface of the leaf is called as, what do we call? We have four options here. A. Stomata, B. Lamina, C. Midrib, D. Veins. Our answer is lamina. Lamina is the flat surface of the leaf. Option B. Now we'll go to the second question. Dash carry water to the leaf from roots. Roots will absorb water from the soil and they transport it to the different parts as well to the leaves. The leaf part which takes that that water from the roots is, let us see the options, lamina, veins, midrib, stomata. Of all these, the thin lines which are present at the toward the midrib of the leaf, that is thin lines that we observe on the leaves, are veins. They carry the water from the roots. They absorb the water from the roots to the leaf. So answer is B again. We'll move to the third question. Tiny pores lying underside of the leaf are. When you put the leaf under a microscope, we observe small pores on it. Those are the, let us see the options, veins, chlorophyll, stomata, leaf blade. Those pores help the leaf to take in carbon dioxide. Those small pores are called as stomata. So the answer is C. We'll move to the fourth question. Food prepared in the leaf is carried to the other parts of the plant through. We know that leaf prepare the food for the plant. That food is stored in different parts. How it is transported to those parts from the leaf? We'll see the options. Lamina, B. Stomata, C. Veins, D. Chlorophyll. Of all this, we know that lamina is the flat surface, stomata are the small pores present in the leaf, and chlorophyll is the green pigment of the leaf. So our answer is veins. Veins carry the food from the leaf to the different parts. So our option is C. Moving on to the next question. Question number 5. You have two statements here. Statement 1. Stomata help the plant to breathe. Statement 2. It also helps the plant to give out water vapor. So these two are referring to the what? Stomata. The function of stomata. We know that stomata are the small pores present on the leaf which absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and they also give out the water vapor from the plant or leaf. So our options, let us see. Statement 1 is true, B, both are true, C, statement 2 is true, D, both are false. So we can say that both the statements are true. So our option is B. Moving on to the sixth question. Dash traps the sunlight during the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that we know that of making the food by the plant. How? In the presence of sunlight, water and air. What is that absorbs the sunlight? We see the options: stomata, chlorophyll, stem and root. Of all these, we know that stomata are the small pores which take in the carbon dioxide. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which helps in preparing the food for the plant. So our option is chlorophyll. Option B. Now, seventh question. Food prepared by the plant is stored in the form of. We know that plant prepares the food. The food which is prepared is called as glucose. Where it is stored and how it is stored? We see the options. Option A, water vapor. Option B, oxygen. Option C, glucose. Option D, starch. So our option is starch. Starch is the food stored in the different parts of the plant. Moving on to the eighth question. In the word photosynthesis, the word photo means, we know the word photosynthesis, in which the word photo means, let us see the options. Options A, water, B, air, C, light, D, warmth. It is, photo means light. Option C is our option, our answer. Moving on to the next question. Question number 9. To test the presence of starch in the leaf, it is boiled in dash and dash. We will do, when we do an activity to test the presence of starch, water, we take the leaf and boil in two different liquids. What are that? Let us see the option. Water and alcohol, water and iodine, alcohol and water, alcohol and iodine. Firstly, what we do, we bleach or boil the leaf in water, and again then we bleach it in the alcohol. So our option is A. So answer is A. Moving on to the last question. Dash is used to test the presence of starch in leaf. We know that leaf prepares the food and food is stored in the form of starch. That is tested with the help of what? Water, B. Alcohol, C. Iodine, D. Salt. The option is iodine. When we test the leaf with iodine, we observe that it turns into bluish black color because of reaction between the starch and iodine. Okay, children, you might have understood the concept. We'll meet again. Thank you.